Social stories explain social situations to children and help them learn socially appropriate behavior and responses in a fun way. Today's situation is what to do when you feel nervous. Sometimes you may feel nervous about your clothes, the surroundings, or other children in your group may be something else. When you feel nervous, there are many different things you can try. 1. You can take 5 deep breaths. Two, you can drink water. 3. You can take a short break. 4. You can tell your parents how you feel. 5. You can tell yourself that everything is fine. 6. You can squeeze a ball or use a fidget. 7. You can think of something that makes you happy, like your favorite ice cream or game. 8. By taking care of these 7 things, you can deal with your nervousness. Let's recall once more. When you are nervous. 1. Take 5 deep breaths. 2. Drink water. 3. Take a short break. 4. Tell your parents how you feel. 5. Tell yourself that everything is fine. 6. Squeeze a ball or use a fidget. 7. Think of something that makes you happy, like your favorite ice cream or game. Great! Now you know what to do when you feel nervous. We will be bringing more social stories for you. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for updates.